Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to draw a table according to your needs in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, draw table is going to the insert menu option. Now for click for the table option. Then click for the draw table option. Then show the pen tool is mouse cursor is draw table this according to need draw table. That's okay. Then show the according a draw table in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.